All right, so condensed glue gel, first step from our Trifecta. I was really excited because this one is glow in the dark too, because it has some glitters that glow in the dark there. And don't forget to get yours no wipe top coat. Is Nick here? Just want to make sure I don't miss you, because sometimes you ask me and I don't see the comments when I look up and I miss you completely. Nix, are you there, babe? Because a lot of you, like Mika, I would miss her too, because when she tune in, I don't get to see her. Floating on the top. And I need the frame. I need the rose gold. I only wanted to do this one. So beautiful. Sorry. I'm gonna place, it's like have a unicorn. My friend. I'm gonna use one of the colors because you might getting one of this pack. You might get ocean blue, or you might get yours crimsons, or you might get yellows. What's the name of that? Oh, I want this one too. I love this 3Ds as well. So you might get AB. You might get this one, the ocean blue, on one of the pack SS. Can you find the frame for me?
Which frame?
The silver and gold frame. Sorry, I get them in one of this maybe. You found it? Awesome. You have a bead? Can we get a bead? I think I need the gold beads. Rose gold? Maybe I should do rose gold. Yesterday watching Shay doing the video, she said, I make my pyramid. I said, oh, looks so, it's cute when she called that. I'm gonna do frames, and you can't like do a frame, or you can just like skip the frame. It doesn't matter, it looks cute either way. Don't want to frame it too long. That frame, maybe I cut that. Alright, more gold beads. On the other, I think it was our last video or before that, I saw Dom did really cool with her press-on nail, and then she puts she dip it in. Is I feel like what it called, dipping dot ice cream. What's that, dipping dot? Really cute though. It looks so. It's funny on how I sing it. It looks so delicious, Dom. Like, oh, it looks so cute. Actually, it's good though. She's like, oh, don't do it. But I think I like it. Just me, I guess. And I have this one from a rose gold frame. You don't anything, you can just don't put any crystal on. But if you want to add a little bit more. Sheila, are you doing your nails right now? Are you there? Wonder if you are doing your nails. I'm adding a frames. Usually I start with my centerpiece first. So then for my centerpiece, I branch it out doing all different cute details along with the main centerpiece. So if you pay attention, I did it earlier. I start with my centerpiece, even though it's a triangle, super cute from a Transcendent exclusive crystal pack. I did it and I start from there. And you can start it from there, and then you can like kind of branching it out and add more crystals shape as you wish. Or if you don't want to, you can stop any times or whenever you feel satisfied. You see. Let me get that one in there. I'm gonna place that three of my crystals. My beads, I'm sorry. I love this beads. If you haven't gotten one of this collection, I'm using a rose gold now. It's really cool though. It doesn't look like, it's kind of a really it's really blend well with the colors. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to flash clear and clear for 60 seconds. I'm gonna wipe up on the side to keep the shape really nice and remains like really nice and precise.